welcome to my YouTube channel. Bible Chef Nancito here. Today I have a new recipe for a bread, fresh bread, homemade. Today I want to make with you milk bread, and it's very easy. And let's start together. I have my warm milk here. It's warm. I have to put warm milk, 1 cup. That's 1 cup of warm milk. I have my egg, 1 whole egg. Put it there. And I have my sugar. Sugar, I'm putting a 1/4 cup. Like that. Then we stir it together, we mix. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bible Chef Nancito here. Let's do this together. Yes. And now again, I want to put my flour. These are 3 cups of flour. These are 3 cups of flour. And I'll put my yeast. Supposed to put 2 teaspoons and 1/4. Me, I'm using the tablespoon, so I'm putting 1 tablespoon and a 1/4. Just like that. And you have to put some salt. Like a teaspoon. Just a teaspoon of salt. There you go. That's a teaspoon. Then we start making our bread, folding together our dough. This one, it doesn't have a lot of kneading. Yes, you'll see. No, we need just to knead it like this until it's mixed. It's very simple, as you can see. We won't use a lot of kneading. Kindly stay there. Let's do this together and let's learn together. Hope you're enjoying it. See, our dough is supposed to be like that. Let's go to the next step. I have my butter here, a 1/4 cup melted. I'll add it inside. And then here, I'll try using my hand, clean hand, to incorporate the butter. Not butter, I'm using margarine, Prestige margarine. Here you try only to flip it until the butter is incorporated with the dough, until it absorbs in the, hope you can see. This one, I won't use any surface area. I'll just use the bowl to make it perfect for baking. See, this is another type of bread. I have made a lot of types of bread. This one is another one. You see how I'm trying to flip it. Can you stay there? Let's do this together. Let's do this together until the butter is all cooperated with the dough. It has to be dry. See, let's do this together. See how I'm flipping it? Now this is already cooperated, as you can see. See, it's perfect. Just try to folding. I'm just flipping like that. So our dough is okay now, as you can see. It's supposed to be like that. See, the butter is done. Now we'll cover it for around 20 minutes. Then we'll come and flip it again, like 10 to 12 times. Let's say 12 times, so that you can cover it again and leave it to rise for 40 minutes or until it's double size. Yeah? So we are covering it and then let it rise. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vibe with Chef Nancito here. Let's give it 20 minutes and then we'll be back. Our 20 minutes are over. Now we can check. Look at that. Look at that. See how it looks? It has proven. Now we have to fold it again 12 times. 3, 4, 6. You just fold it multiple times. I'm folding 12 times. That's 7. Imagine you're just doing this, you're not kneading it. It's just like folding it and returning it back. 8, 9, 10. That's my meat sticking just a bit. Let me add some folds, but make sure you do multiple folds. As you can see, it needs some folds. Mostly 12 times. Okay, you see, it doesn't have a lot of work of kneading. Just making sure you have folded it a bit. Is folding it. Look at that. I'm just trying to fold it, to flip it up and fold it. I folded it a lot of times because I need to see nice outcome. See, that is enough, as you can see. I think it's enough like that. See, look at that. Now I'll fold it again, I'll cover it again. It has to rise for 40 minutes. Yes, or until it's double size. It's not only 40 minutes. If it's double size before that, you can just go on, and then we'll go to the other process. This one, I'm not using my flat surface or my working surface. As you can see, it's very easy to make it at home. Very easy. Just flipping it. And then after that, After 40 minutes, we'll be back and then we do the next step. What do you think? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baby Chef Nansito here. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Our 40 minutes are over and our dough has proved enough. As you can see, look at that. See? Now, just pressing it down, and then you just get now the flat surface and put some dough. Just want to flatten it and try to roll it so that we can shape it. See how it is easy? Just that, nothing else. Our dough is ready for baking. Now you just roll it a bit like that. I don't want it to stick. See, just roll it. Simple way of how it will make you fold it so that you can put it in the baking tray. Hope you can see. Now I'm starting to roll it. Just roll it like that. Voila. See, and then let's try to press it inside. See, it's supposed to be like that. Then take your loaf pan or baking tray. I've basted with some margarine and some flour. Now hold it carefully and put it inside there, like that. Then we'll cover it again for like 20 minutes. Then we'll be back and then we'll put it in the oven. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, guys. Let's check the bread. As you can see, look at that. It's ready to go to the oven. Now what we need is to brush with an egg and some milk, but I'm using only the milk to brush it. But you can use some egg, like 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Me, I decided to use the milk only because I'm not fond of the eggs so much. I don't want to feel that smell. That smell of egg is sometimes makes me feel irritated. Yes, so I'm trying to use only the milk. Let's see. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for around 25 minutes. I've already preheated it, and let's go to the oven and let's come back and see how the bread will be, our milk bread. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Let's do this together. And Baby Chef Nansito here. Guys, our bread is ready. Look at that. Our bread has baked already. How does it look? Whoa, I can't wait to taste it. Now I want us to remove it from the baking tray. There you go. Look at that. That's our bread. Look at that. I love it. That's our milk bread, as you can see it. Look at that. Let me bring it near so that you can see. I think I hold it so that you can see my hands are clean. Look at that. Look at that. My morning is sorted. Now I want us to cut a piece and taste and see how it looks like. So soft. So soft. Look at that. Soft and moist and fluffy. Look at that. Look at that bread. Look at it. Look at that. I love this. So yummy. Look at that. It's so soft. The bread has baked nicely and so yummy. See? Look at that. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bible Chef Nancito here. I'll be finishing here. Thanks for watching my videos, and kindly go on subscribing. Subscribe to this lady. That will mean so much to me. So go on tapping. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll be glad and I'll be thankful. So let's finish here. And may you be blessed all from where you're coming from or from where you're watching from. And thank you so much for your gratitude. And you're one in a million. Just know that all my supporters are very special to me, and I thank God for that. May you all be blessed, and thank you for this time, and see you next time with the next recipe, with a good recipe. And bye for now, and love you so much. Bye bye. Take care.